remember Stickbot from my other pool video? Well, today we're going to be doing a science experiment on Stickbot. And also, by the way, Stickbot is a girl, if you didn't know. Pink, and I drew eyelashes on her. Because the face got erased, so whatever. We're going to be putting these 4 pebbles on her. But first, we're going to try the feet. So, I'll put each pebble on one foot. Woo! What just happened? Okay, let's put the next one. Let's put her feet back to normal. And let's drop her and find out what will happen. Oh! Guys! She's standing on her legs! She is standing! I just tossed her. She's still standing! She is still standing! I'll take off these pebbles to make an even epicer experiment. I did these 2 tiny ones because her arms, because it's tiny. Let's put it on. It's really hard, guys. You have to like push it in. Okay, let's see if with her arms spread out, see if she can stand on one of like this or either on like this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Snap! She did the dab! She's doing the dab underwater on her face. There. Put your hands up for Stickbot because she has her hands up. We're gonna drop her with her hands up. Let me just fix that. And oh man, let's see if we can stand with one instead. Oh man, Stickbot fell. She can't do it with one hand. Now let's do it like this. Oh, snap. She's almost, but not really. I wonder why it did that. Maybe because it's lighter? Yeah, we're gonna put some more pebbles. Put pebbles on her feet and hands and see what happens. I'm gonna put it like that, like she's a dog. Okay. Oh, snap! She is doing it. She's standing on her hands and feet. Woo! Dog it! Hi guys! If you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any videos I'm going to be making. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, stay home, and stay safe. Spread the love, but not the